Hi there, Linda Artesani Accounting. As I mentioned last week, each week for the next several weeks, I'm going to be talking about some of the courses that I'm going to be teaching at the accounting conference that's coming up October 23rd to the 27th. It's Scaling New Heights 2021, and it's called the Unstoppable Advisor. And one of the things I really think is really wonderful about this conference is it's Joe Woodard's and the Woodard Group put together is that they have a track for health. And after coming out of last year with being locked down and really not a lot of being able to be with people, we're going to be able to gather at this conference. He actually had one last year and it was very safe and secure. They had a great setup. I'm sure they're doing the same thing this year, but they're also focusing some of the courses on better health. And I'm very grateful that I'm going to get to speak about meditation. So I'll be speaking on meditation. Carmen's going to be teaching the part about yoga. So yoga and meditation, we're combining forces. We're both yoga teachers. And meditation, I think, is going to be one of the most beneficial besides the yoga. And the yoga, definitely a big piece of this. But the meditation part is so beneficial for the health of our brain. And it's really something that I struggled with in my yoga teacher training days of keeping a regular practice. It was kind of like, I can take that 10 minutes and use it somewhere else because I'm so busy. And that type A personality that I have would overstep and reason its way out of doing meditation. I can honestly tell you that that's very true. It took me a long time to get a regular meditation practice. And it really took for someone to show me the data behind it. And right, I'm an accountant, so data so critical. And somebody actually showed me why taking the steps to meditate really will balance your life and balance your health. And it only takes 5 to 10 minutes a day. You don't have to do it for half an hour. The more time, the better. I like 15 as a sweet spot, but 5 or 10 minutes will help you as well. And I'm going to give you steps, tips, and strategies on how to include it in your day, how to make it a part of your day. And I guarantee you it's going to help lower the stress level. It's going to help you organize thoughts in your brain. And it's going to help you remember things. And it's also going to help you with some of the things that are out there that you might find that are genetically. I know for me, Alzheimer's is definitely something, and the studies are starting to show that a regular meditation practice might actually be beneficial for anybody who has that tendency in their family to move towards that kind of a end of life, which my mom is currently going through. So this is something that I think would really help you just for health benefits. The yoga part is so critical, moving our bodies in all directions. We sit in a chair. I call it chair asana, where our shoulders are forward and our body is slouched. Really bad for our body. We close down in here, our heart space. If we can do yoga, we can actually open up our heart and our chest and our included with our minds with meditation. It's just a beautiful balance. So it's part of the Unstoppable Advisor series. And the course is called Bring Balance and Harmony to Your Life with Yoga and Meditation. I hope you join us. I hope you follow us. Included with this video is an article will tell you why. I work in an industry with attorneys and law firms, and I can tell you they're one of the most stressed out people around, and it's really hard for them to, they have to deal with a lot of issues, and they have very high levels of stress, and meditation will help with that as well. So if you're an attorney following me and watching these videos every week, consider to try to maybe add this to your life. If you're an accountant or bookkeeper coming to the conference, join me. I'm going to share some secrets and some goodies with you guys so you can learn to maybe take some self-care, taking care of your health first. Everything else will fall into place. On that note, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. If you're enjoying these videos, hit the subscribe button or the thumbs up or both, and keep following me. Thanks for watching. Bye now.